All right, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to discuss an angle bisector. So we're going to first and foremost identify what the angle bisector is. I'm going to utilize it in a little bit of application here. So the angle bisector is simply a ray that divides an angle into two congruent angles. So in this case we see our two congruency arcs, so WYX and ZYW are split by YW. So we would consider that YW is the angle bisector. So I'm going to make that very clear. The ray YW is the actual angle bisector. And it clearly makes now XYW congruent to ZYW. And so how can this be used in a little bit of application? Well, let's just think about this here for a second. Let's say, for instance, I just give some values on out there. Let's say if I say that this is a value of 2x degrees, and let's say this is a value of 4x minus 20 degrees. So now I know that WYX and ZYW are the same. Why? Because YW is an angle bisector. Well, if they are both the same, then if I want to find a value of x, then that means that I can set their values equal to one another. So an example like this, we'd end up saying that we have negative 2x equals negative 20, and then of course x would be 10, thus making both of those angles a value of 20. If I substitute x back on in, this value would be 20, and as would this one down here.